I put some tape to show you the difference between the gloss and the matte. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna try something in the engine bay. My carbon panel, becomes a little bit yellow, and I don't like it. I think it's the clear coat starts to come yellow from the heat of the engine. I really like the matte finish on the carbon parts, and I'm gonna try it to do by myself. I hope it's gonna work, otherwise I fucked a piece of carbon, and probably it's quite expensive to buy it. This is the part I mean. If you look, it's really yellow. I don't like it when it starts to color. It's probably from the heat of the engine. I will try to fix it and make it like a matte satin look. I really like that style of carbon. I just took the carbon part out of the engine bay, and I'm gonna check if it is possible to sand it down for a nice satin look. I just did already a small part, and here also to try on the yellow, but the yellow is still there. I did the half of the panel already in matte. Only some small parts I still need to do. I did already the bigger places. You see, gloss to matte. This is the difference between gloss and satin matte finish. I'm really happy already with the results, but it's not done yet. Still some small parts between the edges are still gloss. I will do it again, but here I put some tape to show you the difference between the gloss and the matte. It's only a small part anymore that I need to do, but I think will be really nice. Only the yellow is still there. I don't know what I need to do. I just finished the part with sanding. It's ready together also. I put all the screws back in, and I'm very happy with the results. It turns quite nice. It's maybe a little bit dusty still, but I will put it on the car again. If you see the satin matte look, looks really nice. I went inside the car, everything gloss carbon, and outside the car everything satin or matte finish. Even the plastic parts I want to change also in the future from plastic to carbon, but they are quite expensive, and first I need to save a little bit money for it, but otherwise my girlfriend, she wanna kill me if I put every euro in my car. There's for me as a hobby that I like to do. We just put the carbon parts again in the place. Only I need to put the bolts back inside, and then it's almost complete. Put the vents back in place. Back complete. Looks really nice. Better than before. I really love the matte finish. This is the end of the video. I'm really happy with the result. It was a little bit of stress before I started sanding, but the result is really nice, and I'm really happy that I did it, because the gloss was really bad, and now with the satin look, it's really nice, and I'm really happy. If you like my video, you can always subscribe, and also if you have more questions, you can always comment below, and see you in the next video. Ciao!